Right, if you have a light bulb that's broken for some reason, maybe you've tightened it too much or it was stuck there, and you've got a piece of the bulb, the end of the bulb, stuck in the lamp holder, and you don't know how to get it off. First of all, you disconnect the power. Make sure the circuit breaker is switched off and the switch to this light is switched off. Then you use a long nose plier and you stick it in there, open it hard with two hands and keep turning. There you go. This is out and Bob's your uncle. Until next video, it's goodbye from me.